Hey everybody, hi. Armin and I are back again. Our last little advertisement basically said that we were going to be making these many wheels, and we got a lot of response for a smaller wheel. So the signature wheel, this one here in back of Armin, we're now producing that at an 18-inch diameter wheel. That wheel, Armin's going to talk about a little bit, but it will be a little bit less expensive and it will be a little bit lighter. On the, basically the bulletproof wheel, which you can see right there at the end, that product is going to be both the 20 and 22, correct?
20 and 22 inches.
22 inch. So you asked and we delivered. So yep. I'm going to get Armin to really come in and walk through what's going on here with what we are selling and how we kind of get the job done. So Armin, why don't you take it away?
Yeah, thank you, Sandy. How you guys doing? So in addition to our 18 through 21 inch sizes on the signature wheel, we are also introducing two more wheel designs, which is our Apex wheel on the left here. Right, just a 8-spoke wheel. It's called Apex because it's designed for the racetrack. It's incredibly strong in fatigue, especially cornering fatigue. So when you take it to the racetrack with a very sticky tire, this wheel will hold up great to those types of forces. This we will also offer in a magnesium, AZ80 alloy. And furthermore, here we have our Gran Turismo wheel. This is more for the GT sort of guy that's wants some style, some lightness, more performance, less weight than the standard cast wheels, but doesn't quite want a maximized cooling functionality which the Apex has, right? So here we're giving up some aerodynamic efficiency to cool the brakes more so they hold up better on the racetrack. This is sort of for the standard guy, right, and that enjoys this kind of design. Obviously, signature, it's more aerodynamically optimized, closer to the OEM level. And then for OEM plus aerodynamics, we have our fully closed bulletproof wheel that we'll also release for the other Tesla vehicles, right? So we have a 5-lock version for this. We flash it into the screen here, what it looks like. So you'll be able to have it on your Tesla Model 3, X, S, Y, the whole entire lineup. Again, for those vehicles, 18 through 21 inches. And all of these are available with custom colors, right? So this is a bronze. Basically, these all custom CNC machine forged wheels. That means they're made for you on a basis. And if you want any color, just let me know, send us an email, and we can make it happen for you. And then, here we have some more videos that show our testing for the new Gran Turismo wheel. We see here impact curb strike simulation, a heavyweight. This is a slow motion video, of course, that drops onto the wheel flange, and cornering fatigue simulations. Actual physical testing. So here the wheel spins and there's a force imparted on a lever to the bolt circle.
This is showing what the computer has to say about how and where the forces will be on these different wheels. And the colors you don't want to see are red and yellow.
Yes. So we tear all the Tesla vehicles down here and to each last nut and bolt. And so part of that is virtualizing the vehicle. So we scan the components that we're very much interested in, how they perform functionally, in order to eke out the secrets that Tesla has in their vehicles, right? So here we have, for instance, a wheel that we scanned for Model Y performance. And so we'll create a CAD model and then simulate the cornering loads and radial loads that the vehicle puts into that wheel, and we look at the results to truly understand and benchmark what is it that Tesla does, right? So how do these wheels perform? And then we use our delta principle to take out some weight, make the wheel more efficient from a weight perspective, and get more efficiency and acceleration out of our products.
So over here, maybe what we can do is we can say that we've also worked on other wheels, and obviously they were scanned and they were tested in finite element analysis. This one's kind of interesting because this is a carbon fiber wheel for a military truck. We've been doing this now for quite some time. It's just that we've never really produced any wheels.
Yeah, right. And so anything that we learn in terms of earlier projects like this, right, all of that stuff goes into our wheel development. And for instance, this is one of our early prototypes. This is a hybrid carbon fiber aluminum alloy construction, right? So this is a structural carbon fiber piece. And here you see our delta principle. If you come in from the side here, Grace, right, we see this will be the base of the triangle, the spacer here. And then this is a leg, and this is a leg, creating the triangulation. So under cornering forces, we actually have a triangle to counteract the forces instead of a beam. Right? A conventional wheel, like this Model 3 wheel, is just a beam. And so inherently, from first principles, a triangle is more weight efficient than just a simple beam. The trick is, right, usually something like this, you couldn't cast it, you couldn't machine it. So you have to be clever, which is where our geometries come in for our wheel lineup. These are all triangulated as well. The triangle is a little bit less obvious, but through geometric tricks, we're able to triangulate the spokes, which is what we call the delta spoke principle. And we see that here. So actually, when you take one of our algorithms that we use at Munro here for our customers to optimize designs, we run it, we let the computer optimize the shapes, and you see here from 1 through 4 and 6 how the best geometry for a wheel center is actually a triangle, right? And then this is what the computer puts out. Of course, this is not manufacturable, but you take this for inspiration, and then you bring in the creativity to actually make it something you can produce and sell, right? And hence you get our Munro Delta wheels.
So we thought it'd be a good idea to, first off, give what the customer wants. And it was obvious when we put the first part of the first commercial out, we got plenty of feedback, and we were listening and we responded. But now we thought it might be a good idea to show you a little bit of the background, so now you know pretty much everything.
Yeah.
With that, Armin, anything else?
If you guys are interested in a very precise wheel engineering and manufacturing series or video that goes in depth, let us know. I think it'd be fun to do something like that.
Alrighty. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.